here it is. This is the Weed Whacker 2.0, which is a remedy for really gross stuff in your ears and in your nose, right? So you gotta keep that stuff groomed, right? It's really important. I actually have the 1.0, and this is a substantial upgrade. Let me talk to you about some of the upgrades, and then we'll test it out, see how it actually works. So this actually has 2 stainless steel blades, which are rotating, which is so important because it's basically shaving down, not yanking things out. And to that effect, it is spinning at 7,000 RPM. So it's really accurately, it's going to shave things. We all know when you get that yank and your eyes start watering, it's probably the most painful thing ever. I don't know why it's weird, but that's not good. So in any case, this totally avoids that. Another cool feature is it is waterproof, so you could use it in the shower, and furthermore, it has like a rubberized handle, so you got a real grip on it. Works great in the wet or just standing there in front of your sink. Both work just fine with this. And if you look at their marketing material, they're very proud it has a 45-minute runtime. Now, I don't know who needs 45 minutes of work here. Seems a little crazy that you would need 45 minutes before you plug it into another USB and recharge it. Super simple. But in the end, overall, if you're a real mess and you need it to run for 45 minutes, you got no problems. It will run for 45 minutes. So I think I've run on enough. I think the time has come. I am going to go do some weed whacking, come back, let you know how it worked out, and if I'm still here and breathing. In any case, I'm gonna go check it out now. All right, so let's talk about the review of the Weed Whacker, which it whacks weeds really great. I have to say, luckily enough for me, I don't grow a lot of weeds out of my ears and nose, but I used it for a couple weeks just so that I could talk to you about it. And boy, it's almost a little scary how fast and intense that motor is. Like 7,000 RPMs, it's like, it's a little scary, but it does work perfectly. I actually kind of like tested a little bit on my beard to see in a little spot how it would cut, and it worked perfectly. I did also put it in my ear, and I put it up my nose. I will tell you, particularly up my nose, it tickled the heck out of me. It was like kind of silly. It was like, woo, that's a little intense up there. But in any case, if you need to groom that kind of stuff, this is the perfect application for it. It worked great. I did really test it on my beard, so I know it cuts hair very well. So my final answer is this one's a really good one. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.